We're here at the Nikon booth talking to Steve about the Nikon Z6 Filmmakers kit, and they give you a lot for a little if you are a filmmaker. Just listen to this. Stay tuned. What I have in front of me is the Z6 filmmaking kit. Steve, tell us about what we're getting with this kit.
Yeah, now this, we wanted to put together a complete kit. We've done this for other cameras, but I don't think any one of them was as impressive as this one. What we've done is we've bundled together in one place most everything you need to get started, which includes a Z6, a 24-70 f4 kit lens, the FTZ adapter. This is the best part. We give you an extra battery for the camera, a Ninja 5 external recorder, a Moza Air 2 electronic stabilizing gimbal, the cables to hook that up, a Rode Video Pro microphone. We've even got an extension arm so you can mount the Ninja on the Moza, and even a Vimeo 1-year Pro subscription, which is about $5,300 worth of stuff for $4,000. Great way to get started. All you'd really need, because the Ninja comes with its own AC adapter, all you'd need is one battery for the Ninja, and of course whatever media that you want, like whatever hard drive you wanted to buy. That's it, and then you're ready to go, man.
And all you need is an arm, and that's it. As long as you got an arm and this kit, you're ready to go right into filmmaking. You're ready to upload it to Vimeo and take over the world with it. When is this kit available? When and where?
It's available right now at all Nikon dealers.
Okay. Well, there you have it, folks. Everything you need, $4,000. Nobody's giving you that. Nobody's giving you that. All right, guys. I'll see you guys next video.